Hello everyone, my name's Anna. Welcome to the Discovery Room at the Tamworth Power Station Museum. The Discovery Room is a wonderful place to learn about how electricity has been harnessed. You can learn about the chronology and all of the people involved in the development of electricity.
It was 1796 when Alessandro Volta invented the first electric battery, and that was the first time that anyone was able to have a steady electric current. Then of course it was Ørsted who found the link between an electric current and magnetism. Following on from that, Arago built on Ørsted's discovery and was able to wind many turns of wire around a piece of soft iron, and when he energised that he formed an electromagnet. Now when you have a battery and an electromagnet, you've got the two things that you need to make an electric telegraph. And the electric telegraph was the first practical use of electricity.
There are lots of interactives here in the Discovery Room. You can have a go making a circuit, you can learn about motors, and there are lots of different activities so you can get a hands-on feel for how to produce electricity. We have here a Wimshurst static electricity generator. To make this machine work, you simply turn this handle here, and as you get faster and faster, you'll see the sparks generated. This game here allows you to learn how to create an electric circuit. This gadget will show you how a motor generates electricity. You can turn the handle here, and as the coils spin, it lights the light bulb. The aim of this game is to beat the buzzer. You need to move the screwdriver handle all the way around and try to make sure it doesn't buzz. In the cases along the sides, we have electric plugs and switches, and these electric plugs and switches are made of all different materials. We have porcelain, bakelite and wood, and these materials are all insulators.
When people got the electric light first put on, they only had one light in each room. So typically a house would perhaps only have 4 or 5 lights in the house. And there were no power points. So later on, when an electric irons became popular, people would buy one of these adapter plugs, a wooden plug with a cord fixed to it, and it would be plugged into the light socket. You'd take the lamp out and plug in the adapter and operate the electric iron that way. Sometime later, PowerPoints did come out, and they looked more like that. They were wood and porcelain, natural materials. They didn't have plastics then, and they'd have a special wooden plug with the cord fitted in through that little hole, and that would plug in to the power point, to the power outlet. So it was a 2-pin plug. Now, much later, this little adapter came along, and it's called the adapter plug, made in England, and it is made of plastic. It's bakelite, and it fits into the light socket in the same way as the wooden plug, but it also has a special feature that you can turn that around, and it will also then fit into the 2-pin power point.